Hi guys, so it's another wonderful day here at our chicken farm, and we are here right now, and the chicken are over here. It's roaster. So we have this banana. We're gonna eat some banana here, and we have some salty fish on this side. We put some tomato and some pepper. So here's our chicken here. It's really hot. It's almost 11 a.m. and it's very hot. So the chicken is just walking around, exploring. Look at that. They're enjoying each other. So my husband is there in the house. He's been talking with her daughter there in US. So we're gonna check here in our pullet pen. How's the chicks here? The big chicks. Hi. They've been relaxing. Hi guys. How are you? They look bigger. They've been flying from here. They've been enjoying climbing in the side here and then flying down. So they've been over here. Even though the chicken, they are feel hot because of the weather. It's really extremely hot. So Virgil right now, he's there in the school. And hopefully that he won't go out on his room because it's really hot. When you walk outside without umbrella, you can feel the hotness of your skin. It's burning. And we're gonna check here our nest if there's an egg. Oh, there's a one hen laying there, as you can see there. There's a one hen laying, but no egg in this nest yet. They've been eating. So we're gonna have some egg later because there's one hen over there. And wala pa itlog rumuntaga dai. So we not collected some egg this morning. So the egg that we collect yesterday and today, we're gonna incubate it. We save and we're gonna incubate it. So there's one hen here. So it's just one hen left here in the quarantine area. She's still not better yet. She still have a little bit of cold. And I'm gonna check here if there's an egg. So there's no egg. So yesterday we collected 5 eggs. The other day 6. So we've been lucky because they've been laying egg because you know the weather here is extremely hot and it can sometimes they only hatch maybe 3 eggs per day. So I think this hen here, we're gonna get ready to hatch the egg and gonna lay on that nest there. I'm not gonna disturb her. So we're gonna eat the banana right now. So I've been craving this banana. So we've been to the mountains yesterday. We got some buko, but some of the coconut tree here it's been dying. So the buko that we get is very small water inside, and also the meat is very small also. this hot weather, it's really affected all the plants, the trees here, and also some of our plants is dying. It's really disturbing. I hopefully that we can get some rain, because it's the mountains is turning brown, the tree is turning brown, and it's not on this side here. Still have some, but this grapefruit that we own, the fruit on it, it's not really good because of the hot weather damage that fruit. So I'm gonna eat this banana. Kaon na la. My Lula is here. We'll be eating banana. Banana. This is the salty fish. This is good for banana. My husband really don't like this. Ay lang. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat banana. So I give also the chicken some banana, and they love that banana. This one here. This one is the sweet one, and the other one is not sweet. This is good for salty fish. Most of the Filipino, especially here in the province, they eat the banana together with the salty fish in lunchtime and also for snacks. So I bought this one in our neighbor here because he have a lot of banana tree, and I bought this one for 100 pesos, $2, but I have a lot. That $2, you got a lot of banana on that. Look at this, it really looks good. So I will see you guys later, so stay tuned. So it's almost 2 p.m. As you can see, we have some foods in the table. So this is our lunch. We have some ground corn, white corn, and some grilled pork and eggplant. Tabi, sa iswag dito gamay pa. We're eating here in our chicken farm.
Eating already.
This is our first time we eat here. So my husband, he go back there in the house because the one of the hen stepped on his foot and got hurt. So I let him go back there in the house because it's much cooler, and he have some small cut on his toe, and I already put some medicine on it and some antibiotic cream because this bad rooster here, he's been teasing with the hen. Then that hen stepped on my husband's foot. So it's a good thing it's only small cut. Makes me worry in that time because I've seen some small blood. So he go back there in the house. Then I let him eat there while instead of eating here because some of this one of this rooster is very aggressive. So this is our foods for lunch. So we have that grilled eggplant with some vegetables on it, together with my family. So the one hen that it's been laying there in the nest is I think she's still there. I don't know if there's an egg already. Oh, she's still there. Look at that. Look at that. She's still laying in the nest. I think she likes to hang out that nest there. So let's eat, guys. Na may Sprite diri la. May Sprite diri la, oh. So let's eat. So I'm gonna check now, guys, if that hen hatched some egg. So I've been full asleep this afternoon. I've been sleep around 3 p.m. then woke up around 4, 1 hour. After I eat that grilled pork and that banana, makes me sleepy. Maybe because of the hot weather. So here's the hen. So I'm gonna check if there's some egg in the nest. I'm gonna check the chicks here. So I not let my husband walk here because he have that one on his foot. I not want to be infected. So here's the chicks. So they have their foods here. We need to change this one because there's some poo inside. And their drinks. They're getting bigger. That white one there is much bigger now. They look so happy. So I'm gonna check if there's some egg. It's hard to close this door here. So noisy, that rooster. That's good boy. So let's check here. I think that's Rocky there. He's alone again. Oh, there's no egg on this nest. So I'm gonna check here. Wow. We have 2 eggs on this nest here. Look at that. 2 eggs. Thank you, Lord. Another blessings, guys, today. Maybe they will be hatching again later. Look at that. Fresh egg. Nice. Very nice. I'm gonna bring this in the house and we're gonna incubate it. Oh, very shine, as you can look at that, very shine. So shiny. Very nice. So that's that a hen laying there. So this is her egg. Okay. Another blessing today. They've been eating their dinner this afternoon. We make sure that they always have some water, especially for this hot weather. They need to have more water. So we also put some vitamins on this container, and we have more water there at the other side, and we have also some fresh water there outside. So I think that's all for today, guys. I really do appreciate all of you for subscribing my YouTube channel and for all the nice comment. I really do appreciate it. And thank you so much again for the love and support. And please don't escape the ads on my video, because I have some ads now on my video, and please don't skip it, because we really need all of you to watch the ads on some of my videos still have ads, and please watch all the ads on my video. I really appreciate it for watching all the ads on my video. It really helps me a lot on my YouTube. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I'm gonna do more videos again soon. So stay tuned for now, and God bless us all.